What do you think?
I mean, you can't beat that pitch. I definitely am interested. I just can't get over the attention to detail in this home. I've seen these materials all over the world, but I haven't seen them used in this way. And that makes this very unique and special to me.
Well, there you have it. If you want the best of Dubai living, this is available. 30 million American dollars. And in my mind, from everything that we see, this is priced to sell. So I'd be surprised if this is still available while we're finishing this video. Yeah.
And I just want to point out, Josh, one more thing is, again, every piece feels like it's curated. This does come with everything you see in this place?
Everything is coming with this price, except one thing, not the Lamborghini.
Not the Lamborghini.
And not all the luxury cars that it's coming with, yeah?
Well, thank you so much for
Thank
giving
you
us
so
the
much,
tour today.
Josh.
We
It's
really
great
appreciate it.
meeting you,
My
and this
pleasure.
is just the beginning, yeah? We just
Absolutely.
a lot of pictures
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much. This really is a special home.
This is so cool. The courtyard that comes with this house, you have no idea it's behind this door. You have something on this level of real estate.
And look at this incredible lighting. I mean, Josh, you look good pretty much everywhere, but in this lighting,
Yeah?
it's a whole new thing.
Oh, well, thanks. I'll take that. And of course, the ultimate pool party with the waterfalls going into the
I think
pool
we
here.
have at least 3 parties here. One in the guest lounge, one in the outdoor upstairs, and one inside as well.
You could have a party with everybody you know
Yeah, Dubai
and
is
never
the place
feel.
for parties as well. You work hard and you play hard.
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes. Well, thank you again. And
Thank you so much.
we will we'll be in touch and look
Yeah,
forward to doing
sure.
business.
Same here.
So nice to see you.
Bye. Same here.
Bye.
Bye.